Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the video. So today is the VALRA Cosmetics lip stain video. I'm so sorry I forgot to mention this in the video, but if you guys are wanting to purchase this lip stains, the links will be down in the description box below, and do use their discount code, which is called VALRA Love 9, and you get a 15% off your purchase. So let's get started into the video, guys. Okay, so for the second part of the video will be the VALRA Cosmetics lipstick stains. Oh my goodness me guys, these lipstick stains are like one of the best lipstick stains that I've actually used. The color does actually come off, guys, and it lasts on my lips the whole day. I eat, I drink. The funny thing about this product is if you use the makeup remover, it just comes off, guys. You kiss your hand, when you rub your lips, or when you eat, it doesn't transfer anything. That is, I don't know how they do it, but thumbs up to you, VALRA Cosmetics. So right now, let's go ahead and see the 5 different lip stains that I actually swatched, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the 6th lip stain, and I'll show you guys on camera how I apply it, how I peel off, and how the color actually comes off, guys. Okay, so the very first shade that I'm swatching is called a Red Velvet, and this has like a strawberry flavor to it, but it's very red on the lips and it gives like a maroon-ish effect to the lips. Then the second shade will be called Perfect Plum, and this is a grape flavor, and by far this is like my favorite color. I love the shade. It's like the right amount of the right purple shade for my lips, guys. I'm impressed. Oh, my mind is blown. Oh, my mind is blown. Next shade is called Scarlet Red, and this has a cherry flavor to it. This turned out a little bit reddish on my lips. I kind of like the color as well. The next shade is called Wild Rose, and this has a rose flavor, and it does smell like rose also, guys. And this turned out to be like the right perfect pink lip stain for my skin tone, guys. I really like it a lot. Then the following shade is called Coral Pink, and this has a watermelon flavor, and this just gives the like reddish pinkish kind of vibe, you know, guys. So I kind of like the shade as well. You can see like most of the lip stain actually gives you the reddish pinkish vibe. So last shade that I'm swatching for you guys is called Soft Pink, and this has a peach flavor. I don't fancy this shade. It's because I just don't fancy it, guys. No stains. And what I normally do is I just wear any lip gloss over it. So I'm using the ColourPop Amber Lip Balm. Go over it just to give it a little bit of shine. If you're on the fair side, it will come out differently. If you're on the medium side, come out differently. If you're on the dark side, it will come out differently. So this is how it is on my lip. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you want to check out Beauty Big Bang or VALRA Cosmetics, all the links will be down in the description box below. You can go ahead and follow them. All the discount code will also be down in the description box, so go and check it out if you guys want to purchase these lip stains or the makeup that I've used in the video today. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. As you see, no stains.